everyone. Hope you're all doing well. In today's video we're going to be looking at the BTC price action. We'll be starting from lower time frame all the way daily higher time frame. Let's move on to 1 hour time frame. Okay, we've got 1 hour time frame. As we can see on the 24th and 25th of November, right here we have a double top which I've been following, and it resulted as a breaking of neckline. Actually, we witnessed a dump, and since then we can call it as a double bottom, or in a higher time frame you can see this as a V-shaped recovery. We had a recovery actually. Now what we're seeing is since the 13th of November, like yesterday, 1st, 2nd and 3rd, actually 3 tops here on the price action, and other side is just showing us some sort of weakness where the bear divergence. Price is kept printing higher highs, RSI was printing lower highs, and that played out really well just few hours ago, like literally last this is a third actually, yeah, this is a third candle, 3 hours. Let's do the measure, how many percent we've done. We've got literally nearly, yeah, over 9%, nearly 10%, which is I mean, this is like a, you know, normal and healthy during after such a parabolic move. Let's move on to 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, I'm going to show you something, my levels, support and resistance lines. As you can see, we've got a couple of lines actually here. 4 hour support resistance, major support resistance, which in this case we have a support, and you can see exactly price came and went out. It kind of rejecting now, but we will see how it's going to act next couple of hours. You can see all around here in previous weeks again. So here exactly the same thing. But more interestingly, that I'm following at the moment on the 4 hour time frame is this and this is again double top. Whether it's going to play or no, we will just wait and see. And once we're going to lose actually this level, daily or major in our case at the moment is support daily, we'll be expecting, if that happens, retest this level, which is major support resistance, major support 2. If we're going to lose this level as well, we've got $1,500 difference, like nearly 1,300 actually. Yeah, we might test the daily zone here. As you can see, it was a previous zone that we tested. We broke it, retested, and then we went back. We went all the way up. And I also want to show you something, parallel channel, how it's been played out up to now. And we're literally, you know, as you can see, on major exchanges we saw all-time high, and this is very important and crucial zone. This is very like a psychological level. If we reject, let's say we're gonna reject from here, well, we probably will be, you know, something retesting and then going up. We'll be seeing actually 20,200, 20,400 levels actually ahead of us, and that's going to be another crucial level. And that's going to be actually confluencing with our, you can see, rejected with a parallel channel actually. I'm hoping, and if that plays out, it should reject from here, and then we will see where it just heads. Yeah, and I'm going to show you something on the higher time frame, as I said, on 12 hours, that you can see again. More we go higher, we will see these double tops, and other side is just fainting. And this double top, actually, this one kept printing higher highs. Other side you can see lower highs, and then they resulted this dump. And what I'm seeing now is is it going to play this as a double top or no? We will see in the coming days. We can see the similar structure, double top structure on the daily one, but most interestingly, let's have a look on the other side, what's happening after it. You see first, second, third, triple top, I'll call it triple top here, we witnessed small correction. However now, price, if we're going to look into the price is kept printing higher highs, other side on a daily lower highs, which is probably just started forming a bear divergence. We will see whether it's going to play out or no. What else I would like to add actually here is just it's a best idea. This is as I showed you, 4 hours parallel channel is just, we are in a crucial area. It's better like if you're a scalper, you can just make money here and there with the ups and downs from even from here. A bit of nearly 10%. But I would like to wait and see the clear direction and ride the trend as a swing trader. What would draw your attention actually is something different here, like see a new gap. We have a gap actually here between 18,290 all the way 17,000. It's a huge one. It's a huge one. Sooner or later, usually, that we can see from the history, it's gonna get filled up actually. Except one we have recent ones actually in July. What was it? 9,925 all the way 9,660. This gap. Some may argue here the wicks already filled the gap, but I don't think it should, clear. It should be like a clear filling up. Like here, like you can see, there was a gap. Clearly, we just touched it and we closed it. Like in here, 9th of October, we had a gap. We clearly closed the gap week to week. And I'm expecting sooner or later, as I said, it shouldn't be today or tomorrow, but when we feel actually, we will feel usually like over 95-98% of the times that we're gonna fill these gaps. And this gap, as I said, sooner or later, we just approached the literally, on the edge recently, and then it got rejected. Let's see what we have. As I said, I'm just following the trend line and the parallel channel, and I'm following these levels. Once we're going to lose this level, possibly these two levels, 18,000 and it is 17,600, and I'll be eyeing actually. We will see how it plays out a little bit. We might see some sort of serious correction. But up until now, I'll be watching how this price action reacts actually in the coming next 48 to 72 hours. Yes. Thanks for your time. Thanks for your support. If you like this video, please help the YouTube algorithm, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.